a cedar, folks. It's a behemoth, a testament to nature's raw power. A 10-foot diameter? That's a monster, not a tree. Look at that logger dwarfed beside it. Talk about David and Goliath. But this ain't no slingshot victory. This is pure skill and grit with a .42. Bar and axe. Cedars are notoriously gnarly, dry, swollen, and ready to pinch your bar like a bear trap. This guy didn't just fell a tree, he conquered a legend. That's the mark of a true logging maestro.
So this looks like another crap job. Who cares? As long as it works. Causing the problem. I'll come. So just about 9 foot 10 inches.
The first time I laid eyes on the Quadco 27B, I was awestruck. Its sheer size and robust build exuded power and capability. The 4 independent arms, each with its own set of cylinders, seemed like a giant's grasp, ready to conquer any tree. The massive saw disc, glistening in the sunlight, promised a swift and clean cut. The 27B wasn't just a machine, it was a spectacle, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of nature's might. In the realm of forestry equipment, the Timber Pro TF840D is a game changer. Its unique 360-degree rotating cab enhances visibility and operating comfort, significantly boosting productivity. The machine features a robust boom system for efficient log handling. Powered by a high-performance 338 horsepower engine, the TF840D can navigate steep slopes and uneven forest floors with ease. It also maximizes payload capacity, allowing for more efficient timber transportation. The TF840D is not merely a machine, it's a strategic investment for any logging operation seeking to improve efficiency and precision in challenging forest environments. 3, 2, 1, bow. The driver probably has gotten used to maneuvering like this. Incredible. That crane and truck are teetering like they're in the world's most dangerous seesaw game. This bicycle marks the edge of a sinkhole. Thankfully, no one was hurt. On icy and snowy roads, safety comes first when driving. Can you believe it? The Kobelco excavator is sliding down the slope like the wind. When their teammate's truck tipped over, the Hyundai HL789 and the large Doosan excavator sprang into action. Thanks to their excellent teamwork, the dump truck was righted quickly. What a scene. The truck loaded with wood is left hanging precariously after that daring attempt to cross. Yikes. The truck got stuck in the mud, and the tractor practically dragged it out. How can the driver expect to move again when he was already going and was stopped by the huge weight rip his clutch? The truck spun around in the wet weather, as if the heavens themselves were saying, "Time to call it a day. No work today."
Ready? Park all the trucks. Nobody else is coming back up. It's too slippery.
In such situations, I drove backwards. And if I was very overloaded, then I had to unload some of the concrete, no matter how the customer wanted it. It was a very steep climb. It was crazy. Post-harvest, the meticulous task of site restoration commences. Specialized machinery like grapple skidders, forwarders, or even tractors equipped with skidding attachments are deployed to efficiently gather and remove residual debris. This thorough cleanup is not merely a cosmetic endeavor. It is a critical step in preparing the site for future reforestation efforts, mitigating fire hazards, promoting overall ecosystem health, and facilitating subsequent forestry operations. The harvested timber, once meticulously sorted and stacked, is then loaded onto trucks for transport to processing facilities, where it will be transformed into a myriad of wood products. Navigating treacherous terrain demands the expertise of seasoned truckers. Hauling tons of timber isn't just backbreaking, it's a mental chess match against nature. Witness the honed skills of these road warriors, forged in the crucible of countless miles. The heavy excavator is in big trouble. It's fallen through the ice and is now stuck in the snow. This is going to be a real challenge to rescue. Love the way he skillfully handles the cat to lift that log down. Sometimes unloading brings unforeseen dangers, and today was definitely his day of misfortune. Unbelievable. The crane mast is literally suspended in midair. The driver's move was probably off from the start. It's a good thing they got out of the truck just in time. This crane is committed to the job, going above and beyond and never giving up, no matter how demanding the task. The excavator's timely grip on the truck turned a near miss into a successful save. Oh my gosh, what just happened? The crane crashed down while it was raised high. It's a relief that nobody was hurt. The overturned truck was rescued with a shovel, Hitachi's giant shovel to be precise. This truck's thrilling expedition through the jungle was nothing short of exciting. Incredible luck. The Cat 793 made a smooth landing on the ship. No harm done, and everyone's safe.
Take it, do.
The Cat D6R got swallowed by the deep mud, but luckily the team came to the rescue. Even one of the largest trucks in the world can lose its footing on a slope like this. Truly a priceless documentary moment. The LCY 50 isn't just a yarder, it's a game changer. This beast effortlessly dances across steep slopes. Its grapple a steel claw, snatching logs like a hawk plucks prey. It's a symphony of power and precision, maximizing production while minimizing environmental impact. With its fuel-efficient engine and durable components, the LC550 is a long-term investment that pays dividends in productivity and sustainability. Oh my god, transporting this gigantic setup led to trouble. A 500-ton crane, 4 trucks, and a costly trailer were all damaged. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the incident, and everyone is safe. Watching this cat step onto the truck was like watching a smooth dance move, effortless and graceful. This tree collapsed during the storm and is now precariously perched on a steep slope. It's an extremely dangerous situation, folks. This is precisely why we prioritize safety protocols and ensure no one gets too close. Let's wait and see what happens. Let me tell you, folks, there's a world of difference between swinging an axe at ground level and dancing with danger 40 feet up. A dead tree? It's not just dead. It's a ticking time bomb of unpredictable rot and hidden hollows. One wrong move, and it's not just the tree coming down. It's your reputation, your livelihood, maybe even your life. Behold the Ponzi Scorpion, the undisputed king of the forest. This award-winning marvel of engineering isn't just a harvester, it's a productivity powerhouse that can do the work of 10,000 foresters with a single flick of the joystick. Its revolutionary 3-frame design and fork boom technology defy gravity, keeping the cabin perfectly level even on the most treacherous terrain. And with panoramic visibility from the cabin, you'll feel like you're soaring above the treetops and conquer any forest you desire. A dance of steel and pine under a moonlit sky, this loader turns adversity into artistry. Each log is a brushstroke on the canvas of winter. The rhythmic hum of the engine is a symphony of power and precision, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of nature. Ever wondered what it takes to haul a load of timber out of the backcountry? Let me tell you, it's not for the faint of heart. We're talking upwards of 60 tons of raw lumber rumbling down treacherous terrain. Landslides, sinkholes, harsh weather conditions, you name it, these drivers face it. It's a high-stakes ballet of skill and concentration, and these folks deserve a standing ovation for their dedication. The GSN 240 isn't just a compact frame saw, it's a precision powerhouse that redefines secondary cutting. Imagine slicing through hardwoods like butter, all while sipping a mere 10-12 kilowatt an hour. With a kerf so thin, 2.3 millimeter, you'll barely notice it's gone. This machine isn't just efficient, it's practically surgical. Stack up to 19 blades and watch your productivity skyrocket to 3 per 4 cubic meters per hour. Starting at 19,000 USD, it's not an expense. It's an investment in your woodworking future. Whoa, this trim BC tree is huge. Like, seriously massive. It must be like 80 to 100 feet tall and wider than my whole house. How do they even cut down something this big? These guys must be like tree ninjas or something, climbing all over it with those crazy powerful chainsaws. I can't even imagine trying to do that. It's like a scene out of a movie. I was blown away by the turbo sawmill M820M. It's surprisingly easy to use for such a powerful machine. The swing blade is a total game changer. You can get to your lumber from any angle. No more struggling to lift heavy beams. The open side design is super clever too. It makes handling timber so much easier. I'm totally sold on this sawmill. Witness the epitome of firewood production efficiency? This isn't your grandpa's woodpile. We've got a manned TGS truck flexing its muscles, sporting a mobile wood splitter that transforms timber into perfectly sized firewood. It's a symphony of sawing, splitting, and loading, all choreographed in a single seamless operation. This is the future of firewood, folks, and it's happening right now.
Yes.
Forget everything you know about wood processors. The Woodcracker C5550 isn't just another machine. It's a revolution in hardwood handling. This isn't just about power. It's about dominating the toughest jobs with the largest logs. Think of it as the heavyweight champ, built like a tank yet surprisingly agile. If you need the best of the best, look no further. Feast your eyes, folks, on the Vermeer SC3A2, the undisputed king of stump removal. This isn't your grandpa's grinder. This is 37 horsepower, 26.1 kilobauer of pure, unadulterated stump obliterating fury. Optimized cutter wheel? Check. Standard four-wheel drive? You bet. Optional front blade for the full stump-to-finish package? Absolutely. This machine doesn't just remove stumps, it devours them. Starting at $33, it's not cheap, but it's worth every penny when you consider the time and effort it'll save you. The heavy Soviet bulldozer, DET-250, independently tackles a bridge over a mountain river. The operator, fearing for his life, exits the cabin as the bridge barely supports the 40-ton machine. The ECUS 175 isn't just turning heads at this exhibition, it's redefining forestry machinery. Unmatched power meets rugged durability, making those challenging terrains look like a Sunday drive. But it's not all brawn. This machine is a technological marvel, boasting fuel efficiency that'll make your accountant smile. And the customization? Let's just say it's as adaptable as a chameleon, ready to tackle your unique logging needs. Whoa, hold on. So many stump videos, and no one's thinking about safety? I mean, wouldn't a blanket over the chain help? And seriously, a come-along and pulleys could work? This is crazy. Safety first, y'all. New Zealand alder? Top-notch stuff. Been at this for decades, and these trees are some of the finest I've seen. Crawler tractor skidding? Old school, but it gets the job done right. This crew knows their stuff, and they're doing it the way it's always been done, with respect for the trees and a focus on safety. It's a dying art, but it's good to see it alive and well here. The tug of war between the truck, the crane, and the mud pit shows no sign of stopping. Let's get moving, brother. The road this truck chose wasn't the easiest, but it still succeeded. Clearly, the driver's skills are top-notch. Even with everything going wrong, holding on to one container intact is a small triumph. It's amazing to see the driver single-handedly get the Volvo mini excavator climbing the truck. Not everyone can do that. The Ural 6x6 timber monster lives up to its name, powering through every terrain with its raw strength. Truly a beast of a truck. The driver's skills are beyond imagination. He handled that steep incline with unbelievable smoothness. Let's shake hands with the cat excavator. That's how you properly maneuver a tractor down a steep incline. Damn, such power. Amazing. Respect for the tractor driver. Heart-stopping moment when a truck carrying a crane misjudged the height and crashed into an elevated crane structure. Luckily, everyone stayed safe. The 70-ton crane's sudden collapse during unloading was beyond anyone's expectations. Luckily, he was safe when the gigantic crane crashed down.
Dale vuelta para arriba! Dale vuelta para arriba!
In a split second after he jumped down, the excavator started to tilt, ultimately losing its balance and collapsing entirely. Hurry up, faster! He already has a soft cushion waiting for him on the side. With every bit of skill they had, both drivers managed to avoid a collision. The truck and the car are safe, but the gate wasn't so lucky. Challenges and dangers are part of the job. Fortunately, the driver knew how to swim and avoided harm. The driver's fast and effective response helped the truck evade a serious mishap. Wake up! Apparently, he was working on something heavier before, and that ruined him. Oh no, the excavator just stumbled while getting off. Yikes. The excavator recovery was an utter failure. Every move seemed to make things worse. It's amazing to see the strength of these trucks. Even when overweight, they don't break down. Can you believe it? The crane is functioning perfectly even though it's not grounded. What a rebellious trailer. It unhooked itself and went for a joyride. Luckily, no accidents happened. After spending a long time cooling off in the icy water, this heavy equipment was finally pulled out. This is a tough job getting the digger off the silage pit. Luck was on his side today. The overloaded wood truck crossed the bridge just in time before it came crashing down. After stepping out to take a phone call, all he could do was helplessly watch as his truck toppled over right before his eyes.
A la madre!
Maybe he can't carry this burden across the river. It looks like this truck has its own extreme unloading style. This ancient giant, a testament to millennia of growth, yields its secrets to the artistry of modern woodworking. The precision of the horizontal bandsaw, wielded by skilled hands, unlocks slabs of breathtaking beauty with unparalleled efficiency. Observe the intricate dance of compression within the grain, a masterpiece of nature's design. This single slice is a treasure, a gift capable of igniting joy in the heart of any woodworker. Oh my god, you guys have to see this Eschelbach Viber 110 chipper in action. It's insane. They chipped a mountain of logs, 380 tons, in just 10 hours. This thing is from another planet. It's got this huge mouth that's like 90 centimeters tall and over a meter wide, and it eats up massive tree trunks like it's nothing. It's even got a log splitter to help it munch on the really big ones. This is the coolest machine I've ever seen. The video is epic. You won't believe your eyes. handshake moments of the century. Unbelievable. That driver's talent was on another level as they maneuvered down that vertical drop. Forgetting to lower the truck bed gave this driver a collision they'll never forget. Tough. They were loading a yacht and they tore up the truck. Unloading the cargo is much more interesting when you're a skilled and safe driver. Today is his lucky day. Is the vehicle preparing for takeoff, driver? This truck is wading through water like a kid who loves playing in the rain. A bridge collapsed under the weight of a large truck, sending the vehicle and its cargo tumbling into the creek below. Wow, what an impressive whirlwind performance. Sometimes a truck only needs 4 wheels to get the job done. The truck couldn't hold on until the excavator arrived. It all happened in an instant, but thankfully no one was in the truck, and everyone is safe. After every fall, you can always get back up. The only way to save the truck is to remove that pile of bricks directly. It was a double slip. First the cat dozer, then the truck on the snowy slope. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. Oh my God, the moment death came knocking, it's a miracle the driver managed to escape safely just in time. The driver couldn't have seen this coming. That puddle created a major blind spot for him. A flawless finishing move. Way too risky to take this path, but luckily the driver got out just in time. The level of skill from this driver is simply exceptional. Seeing the Komatsu excavator leave the truck with dust flying everywhere, I can't help but think the driver is an idiot. This is the process they use to unload those massive concrete pipes, regardless of their size from the truck. So cute, the way it was loosing traction while pointed up like that, like a little tortoise flipped on, its back kicking, its legs. The driver too was real cool, giving thumbs up. When the bridge collapsed, the truck was left half submerged in the river, and the rescue team soon arrived to recover it. Is it a truck or a boat? This vehicle seems to be testing its limits in the water. Clearly, the incorrect placement of the tie-downs from the start led to the truck sustaining more damage than benefiting from the rescue effort. It's crazy. Loaded and ready, the truck unexpectedly started moving on its own, leaving the driver startled. Thankfully, the driver acted fast and took control before any mishap occurred. On the most difficult road ever, the truck driver couldn't handle the steep ascent, but it's a relief that everyone is okay. That truck's stubborn choice to take that road home could have ended badly. Glad everyone is okay. This truck seems to be really enjoying its time in the air. Too smooth. They handled everything with absolute professionalism. Keep calm, no need for such urgency. Luckily, the driver remains safe. Looks like this Volvo has mastered the art of doing a headstand. This unique skill is just how it gathers the momentum to achieve success. It was as if he had the power of a god, breaking the ground under the ATEC excavator with his push. The machine leaned, and the driver escaped right before it fell. Oh, look at him fumbling with his leg. Was it luck or the driver's skill? The truck stayed upright for quite a while.
정말. 비디오스만.
It seems like this truck might be drunk. Crab walking sideways is also a good option. The driver's urgency and irritation are palpable as they tackle this wood hauling task. What a hectic scene. Oh my god, this vehicle must have had a terrifying experience. I hope the driver's all right. Like children playing in water, these trucks are having a blast wading through the river. They each cross the river with the same strength and power they possess. Even though they encounter a few minor issues, they support each other and make it through smoothly.
Пацаны наши якутские отчаянные ребята. Молодцы.
Collective strength, surely success is just around the corner. This truck is gliding through the air smoothly. Oh my god, luckily there was no one in that excavator. Just looking at the E101E excavator is making me dizzy already. Can you guess if he'll manage to land successfully? It's actually a perfect example of people who carry an extra load on their shoulders, but keep going to not let others down. A dramatic showdown between a dinosaur and a mammoth. The rock this cat excavator is trying to scoop is almost as big as the machine itself. After being pulled up, the truck rolled down the slope, but miraculously avoided crashing. He's trying to hold onto his vehicle in vain.
落不去了。
In a surprising twist, the 950G excavator is now rocking the catwalk, upside down. The tractor's greeting is quite impressive, isn't it? The truck hauling a mobile home is crossing a tiny bridge, and it has to be perfect to the inch. In that emergency, the driver's quick decision to exit the vehicle proved to be the best choice. She was too heavy for the poor truck to get up the hill, snapping his drive shaft instantly and leaving them stranded. With no brakes and a heavy load, his driver doomed him. He was a classic, a handsome truck, now wrecked. Looks like Operation Save the Horn is now underway. The team is showing incredible effort to get this overturned bulldozer back on its feet. The Cat Caterpillar 300A3K pipe layer made a quick getaway after being pulled up, but its bad luck continued. This Volvo really seems determined to handle that large rock, but it still needs the support of its team to make it through.
No, it's power.
What a risky driver underestimating the danger. At least he came out alive as a lesson for the next time. Even with its two rear wheels missing, this truck is still cruising smoothly around the construction site. What a shocking sight. The excavator went down, but thank goodness everyone is okay. The train was hitting so much snow, the engineer just laid on the horn the whole trip. The stubbornness has doubled. These two Volvos are perfectly synchronized in every shape. If I was his boss, I would have docked him for time wasting. Splitting that lift in two would have taken half the time. What a prat. How to get your 14-ton digger off the silage pit. Definitely don't try this at home. The truck's loss of control caused it to overturn on the slope, but luckily the driver is safe. The construction site turned into a dramatic scene when the Liugong 922E excavator toppled over. The crew didn't waste a second, working together to fix the situation. Their perseverance paid off, turning a potential disaster into a victory. This truck tried to make a getaway right after being rescued, but it was caught just in time. These two Volvo EC 3500 excavators are giving their all on the job. This isn't just a milling machine, it's a lumber-producing behemoth. The Sherwood series is an absolute beast, capable of devouring logs up to 20 feet long and spitting out perfectly milled lumber. With a cutter head spinning at a mind-blowing 950 RPM and a milling spindle speed of 300 RPM, this machine is a force of nature. And if you opt for the hydraulic drive system, you'll be loading and unloading logs with the ease of a lumberjack on steroids. hung-up tree, a ticking time bomb in the forest canopy, demands immediate attention. Its precarious position, suspended mid-fall, presents a significant hazard. One wrong move, and it could unleash its pent-up energy, causing catastrophic damage. A skilled arborist, armed with experience and specialized tools, can safely dismantle this threat, mitigating the risk and restoring tranquility to the woodland. Ever dreamed of a harvester that feels like an extension of yourself? Look no further than the John Deere E-Series. The cabin is so ergonomically designed, you'll forget you're even working. And the Timber-Matic system? It's like having a personal assistant for your harvesting needs. But wait, there's more. The Waratah H414 head is so agile, it's like a dancer in the forest. Ready to experience the future of harvesting? The John Deere E-Series is waiting for you. Do you think that truck needs to hit the gas to go down the hill? The small cat, rescued by the big cat, took off running. This stubborn excavator just can't stay out of trouble. After getting bogged down in 5 feet of mud, this bulldozer was saved by its mighty big brother, the crane, which pulled it out. A 25-ton excavator on a 10-ton capacity truck. These guys deserve a Darwin Award.
Like, when this thing go off, I think it will. Cool. It looks like that.
So this is the end, right? This is the consequence of biting off more than you can chew. That truck screamed in agony, and the outcome was worse than imagined.
Hancur bannya.
It was like a scene from an action movie. That driver showed incredible courage in that heart-stopping moment. All their efforts just seemed to make things worse. If moving forward feels too tough and challenging, then going in reverse is also a viable option. Do you think he is lifting it out of joy? The stone is heavier than the machine. Looks like this truck is doing some roller skating. Oh my god, did you see that? The tanker truck skidded for what seemed like forever, all to avoid hitting a tricycle. Hey, they seem to want to celebrate early. Incredible driving. He managed to turn over that narrow bridge with astonishing precision. This excavator looks exhausted. It could really use a break. Hurry up, get moving, buddy. Dancing excavators on a construction site. From the Ann Trokes' Pretty Big Dig. Ballet dancer excavator excavators. Dancing balletto ballet. This must be the most healing moment for the excavator. That could have been easily avoided with an experienced operating engineer, preferably union. Nothing can stop sheer determination. This is more about destruction than transportation now. A truck carrying 18 others' truck. This upgraded transport driver has proven that no obstacle is too big when moving more than meets the eye, as long as you pack it right. The pushes, not always resulting in collapse or disintegration. The downhill cornering maneuver by this truck exceeded all expectations. What a dramatic effort. The tractor worked as if its life depended on freeing the stuck logging truck. The excavator loads onto the truck effortlessly, like it's second nature. Experience the dozer's amazing balancing act, an impressive tightrope display. The limit. Amazing support. Wow, that's what happens when you overload a vehicle. Total chaos. The truck nearly got taken down by that massive tree stump. The Haglund BB206 shows its true prowess on challenging terrain. Let's go, buddy. Oh my God, it's a relief that the site supervisor is still safe. There was a tractor, and now there is no tractor. What a dramatic effort. The tractor worked as if its life depended on freeing the stuck logging truck. The excavator loads onto the truck effortlessly, like it's second nature. Experience the dozer's amazing balancing act, an impressive tightrope display. The limit of stupidity is off the charts, and now the catfish have a hostile in the pipes. This is the fault of the captain and the driver. The fault of the captain is that he turned off the engine, the aircraft was pushed back, and the fault of the driver is that he was confused. The warrior had to react quickly and get forward. Thank goodness everyone is safe.
I got my measurement.
When dogs bark at cars like that, we say that they were traffic cops in a past life.